Welcome to my completed Seesaw page, or at least for right now. On my activities tag, this is an activity that I found on the Seesaw site that I wanted my kids to do in language when we study um, adjectives. And so they'll be taking a picture of themselves and then adding different labels to describe themselves using adjectives. Also in my journal, I've created 5 different activities for my kids that I want them to look at. One is to tell their favorite Bible story. This one I quickly did with retelling the story of Noah and the ark. And then we move on down. Um, I've also added one where, also in Bible, we'll be talking about how special we are being God's child. And after reading this book, I'll have each of the kids take a picture with this book and either add a note or a caption or a voiceover telling what it is about themselves that makes them special because they are created by God. Also, at the beginning of the year, one of the things I'll have my kids do is to create a display of all the numbers that they have in their lives. So this is the beginning. I'll attach this template also in their student activities, and I'll finish this one also. It also allows them to use the different drawing tools in the drawing portion of the of this site, and then to add text boxes to each number telling how they are part of their lives. One of the read alouds that I'll have at the beginning of the year is spaghetti on the hot dog bun. And one of the very first days, I'll give them a supply of noodles and marshmallows, and I'll have the kids build towers to see who can make the tallest tower. It's just a focus on collaboration and working together. I guess that's the same thing, working together and making sure everybody takes part. So I did this by posting a note here. And then finally, beginning of the year is always difficult. And one of the things I want my kids to learn is to try, even if they don't, even if what they do doesn't seem to succeed for them. In this short video clip, this little girl wants to be able to fly an model airplane and it crashes. But she soon meets some other little flying airplanes, and she learns the lesson of trying again even after an apparent failure. So the kids will be watching this motivational film and then um, adding a note that tells what they think the message of the video is. So I'm really looking forward to trying Seesaw this year and having my kids um, address different skills and share their thinking and reflect on their learning.